Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, please do get to subscribe, like and comment. I thought to share with us my secret recipes to making smoky patty jollof rice right in your house without the use of firewood and having that patty taste and smell. The first thing I did was in a hot oil. I am going to be frying my onions till it's almost crystal brown. The reason I'm frying this way is to get the smell, the aroma, and just to get the oil, the smell that we want. I also went ahead to fry my secret spice or seasoning, which is rosemary, and then I added my blended pepper to fry. I went ahead to add my bouillon cubes and salt to taste, and the next thing we need to do is just to allow the pepper to fry and cook well. I went ahead to add my meat stock, that's a chicken meat stock, and then I'll be leaving the pepper to boil for some time, and once it's boiled I've added my washed rice. The next thing I'll be adding is my bay leaf. I'll just toss the rice a little so the water goes down the rice. I'll cover my pot using foil paper and lower the heat. Now what I want to achieve is for the rice to be well cooked, slow cooked. I'm going to open the rice in about 5 to 10 minutes after just to see, and then slightly use my wooden spoon to raise up the rice. The essence of this is so that the water can go underneath the pot and the rice is not just drying up or burning. There is enough water to cook the rice. The next thing I'll be doing is to spice up my rice with sliced onions. I love to do this a lot. I love some crunchy onions, and I use that to garnish that. Again, you can see me gently lifting up the rice with my spoon so that my rice doesn't break and the rice doesn't burn. I'll close it up and reduce the heat again, and then cover very well with the foil paper. That is what we need to do. Cover with foil paper, lower it, and let it continue to cook. Your pot will burn, but that doesn't matter. That is how to achieve your smoky jollof rice. So it's well cooked and you're having all the heat come from underneath. If you love this recipe, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Do get to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what recipe you'd like me to share with you next. And until next time, thank you for watching. Cheers.